Hello guys, welcome to today's lesson. Today we are going to talk about JavaScript string concatenation. So let's get to it. In our file here, we are going to have our variable and we are going to declare our variable as const, my age, and we'll give it 24 and we'll say const your age equals to 21, and you're going to console log this, and you're going to say my age plus your age. When we add like this, you'll see that because these are numbers, the operator here, the plus sign, is going to add the 24 and 21, which is going to give us 45. But now we want to add a string in our console log. So how do we go about it? Another way we can go about it is that we can still have const first name, and we give our first name as Sarah, and then let's say const last name. So your last name is Wanyeki. We can also add const age. Let's have age and give it 21. What we are going to do is that we are going to console log, and in our console log we're going to insert these two and write hello, my name is and then we put a comma here, a plus sign, and then we are going to write first name. All right, and then you're going to add another, which you're going to say plus last name and plus age. So it's giving me my name is and not a value Wanyeki. So okay, I'll remove this class here. So it's giving me my name is first name, last name, and age. The best way to write this is we are going to comment on this, and then we are going to write console log, and inside here, instead of putting the quotes, the double quotes, we are going to use the backticks, these ones, and then we are going to write hello, my name is, and then you put a dollar sign, and then you put curly braces and write first name. Then you get out of the curly brace, add another dollar sign, then the curly braces, and then write last name, the other variable, then another dollar sign, curly braces, and then you insert the next variable, which is age. And now you can see that we are able to write a string, and it's written hello, my name is Sarah Wanyeki, and we can also write here and say and I am 21. Come here and write 21 years old. You see? Yeah. So that's it, and that's how you can write your string. You either use this method where you use the plus sign to concatenate them, or You can use the backticks, which is more prettier, and you are writing a clean code. And I'll see you in the next video.